In an effort to enhance tax awareness and compliance, the IT department is holding a taxpayers hub in Shillong. The 3-day hub was inaugurated today by the Principal Director General, New Delhi, Archana Chaudhary. Speaking to media persons, she said that the event was held as an outreach program to educate taxpayers about the Income Tax Act and address their grievances. Asked about the less collection of income tax from the northeastern states, she said that this happens due to a lot of factors like exemption and rebates which are offered here.
Northeast has various provisions through which people have tax benefits, rebates. So keeping that in view, our whole idea is to make people aware about taxation, and we feel that our outreach programs and our awareness programs will really help us in growing the taxation. When people are aware, when people know what is the benefit of taxation, then it will have an automatic impact on the tax growth of that particular region.